Ready? Old oven. So good. No? Dumi. Alright.
Coca.
Oh, what's that? Alright, thank you.
See you.
Yan, so good na ang amin. Ayun, konti lang ang kanyang fire, oh. Hindi masyado, pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng oven na Inday Badeday. Thank you for this. Good morning, everybody. Ayan, I wanna try ang bago naming oven. Alright, let's cook my lunch. Really good. I love it. Made in Italy. So good. I love the burner. Nice. Ayan. Baliktarin lang natin para mas maluto. Pati ang kalabasa. Another 20 minutes. Napakadali lang magluto. Luto na yung kalabasa. Binulmani tayo dito. Hi! Mango shake with hot milk. Then this one. Ayan lang ang ating napaka-simpleng lunch. Then roast chicken. Kain tayo. Ayan lang. Cucumber. Roast chicken. Then, this one. So good lang. Just kain. Pumpkin. So good. Carrots. Sarap kumain pag fasting. Sarap kumain, di ba? Habang exercise ako, nilagay ko na ito sa oven. Ubus na. Pumpkin. Food lunch. Pag mag-isala ka lang, kahit anong gusto mo kainin, kain mo. Another one, last one. Really good. Hindi ko naubos ang aking cucumber. Yan. Tapos kumain, matulog. Lalo na ang ganda ng weather. Umuulan. Pag umuulan, ayaw ko talaga lumabas, kaya stay at home. Bukas, mag-isda ako. Pretty good lunch. Ang dami pa. One day, one egg. Very good. Okay, mamayang, asin ko, guava. Inubos ko muna lahat ng pagkain sa rep. Bukas, mamalingki ako. Bili ako ng isda. So good to be alone. Thank you for watching, and always lang tayo, love in our heart, positive hair, and looking forward. God bless you always, and always search for the good life. A blessed day. Ubos. Then the mango shake is mayroon pa. Hindi ko na yung maubos kasi full tank na sa Inday Bariday. God bless everyone. It's a beautiful day. Ulan, kaya ang sarap mag-stay at home at kumain din matulog. God bless. God bless you. Happy Friday everyone. Bye.